Hello everyone. While the recent attention has been on viruses and antivirals, unfortunately the concerns with bacteria have not receded. Antibiotic-resistant bacteria and so-called superbugs are causing a serious threat to all humankind by, for example, compromising the health by causing this emerge of previously treatable diseases. Conventional bacterial analyses are often time-consuming and tedious. They require long incubation times and often high amounts of the samples. This is not the case with the method that I'm introducing here. So in the method, gram-negative Escherichia coli and gram-positive Staphylococcus aureus have been genetically modified so that they produce this constant luminescent light signal, and they indicate the presence of antibacterial substances by a decrease or dose-dependent decrease in the signal, which we can monitor in real time. On the right, you can see the basics of the protocol. So below, we have this growing media base, solid growing media base, above which we add the samples. And as the samples, I've been using plant parts as such, or then textiles or papers which have been impregnated with interesting fractions from nature, or even liquids with hydrophobic or extremely viscous solvents. And above the samples, we just add the bacterial inoculation in a soft agar medium. We leave it to solidify and grow overnight, and we can image it in the morning. I also want to show you this interesting example of the use of this method, where we have impregnated these paper sheets with polyphenol extractions from softwood bark. In this picture here, on the left, you can see the normal photograph of the petri dish with the seeds and the bacteria. It's taken over a light table, and the picture in the middle is actually presenting the picture where it's taken with the luminescent imaging device. And I've highlighted in red one of the clear inhibition zones near the sample sheets. And the picture is taken in the dark, so any color you can see there, it's actually indicating the luminescent light production. The sheet in the middle is actually the control sheet without the polyphenol-rich extractions, and you can see that the light production is there increased, which indicates that the bacteria is able to use it as nutrition. So there's a clear difference between the sheets with the extractions and without. We can also obtain the results out of the machine in a numerical form and draw them, such as in the case of inhibition percentages in the figure with the columns. And we are currently writing a manuscript of the process, and you can find more information from that soon. And I thank you for your kind attention.